Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will show you how I achieved my orange hair. The hair was supplied by Tinashe Hair and is a 14-inch 613 13x6 lace front. Damn, that was a mouthful. I used 3 dyes by Everrr, honey brown, Cajun Spice and French Cognac. The honey brown is there really just to mellow down the orange a bit. So in terms of the amount of dye you use, I would say use 60% Cajun Spice, 30% French Cognac and 10% honey brown. Add boiling water. A lot of people tend to use a whole load of water in their videos. I don't think that's necessary. So just use enough water to immerse the wig. The ratio of water to dye really affects how strong your color is. So more dye than water equals a stronger color. And obviously more water than dye equals a paler, less vibrant hair shade. So now I'm just testing out the color. And I don't quite like this color. It looks more of a brown. Nah, no bueno. So we are going to add a bit more Cajun Spice. So just mix all the dyes together with a dye brush. It's really important to make sure you've mixed your dyes correctly. Otherwise, it's like tie-dyeing. When you've just got a blotch of ink, it will stain. You want to have a seamless, well-blended color. Now I'm just testing on another bit of hair and I quite like this shade of orange. I set my timer for 4 minutes and let's get to work. I'm just dunking the hair in the water, in and out, and it's important to have a brush so you're getting into every individual strand and there's no areas that don't have as much dye as another area. So just keep dunking the hair and immerse it in the water. Make sure it's all covered, brush through to ensure you're reaching all the areas in the wig. Look at that, I love the orange. Already I can tell I'm gonna love this color. And the timer is up. 4 minutes are done. I have finished processing my hair. Because of the amount of dye I used compared to water, I don't need that long of a processing time. And you can see the color is very vibrant. It is a beautiful orange. I love it. I love it. I love it. And voila. 4 minutes of processing time equals this raging orange hair. I love it. As you can see, I'm just doing absolute rubbish. Thank you for tuning into this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. I have a review on this hair which I have uploaded the same time as this video, so go and check that out.